Convert 45 kilograms to grams. So I write what I am given, 45 kilograms, and then I'm going to multiply it by what I know. I know in 1 kilogram there are 1,000 grams. My kilograms cancel out and I'm left with 45 times 1,000 grams. And after I do the math, I get 45,000 grams in 45 kilograms. Let's see how you did. Convert 93 kilograms to grams. So you're going to write out your given information, 93 kilograms, and then you're going to multiply by what you know. You know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Your kilograms cancel out, and you are left with 93 times 1,000 grams. And that would be 93,000 grams. Convert 960 inches to feet. So you take your given 960 inches, multiply by what you know. Well, I know there are 12 inches in 1 foot. And I have to write the inches in the denominator so that it cancels out with those inches there. And I'm left with 960 divided by 12. And my units of measure are now in feet. And when I do that, 960 divided by 12, I get 80 feet. So 960 inches is equal to 80 feet. All right, convert 180 inches to feet. I'm sure you guys are getting really good at this by now. 180 inches times 12 inches in the denominator, 1 foot in the numerator. That leaves you, after these inches cancel out, leaves you with 180 divided by 12, and your units of measure are now in feet. And when you do that division, you get 15 feet. Is that what you guys got? All right. Convert 432 inches to yards. So let's write what we know. 432 inches. What else do we know? 12 inches is in 1 foot. And we know that there are 3 feet in 1 yard. And I know I'm done multiplying because my inches are gone, my feet are now gone, and now my answer is in yards. So in my numerator I have 432 times 1 times 1, and my units are yards. And in my denominator I have 12 times 3. So you could reduce, you could do the 432 divided by 12. It goes in 36 times. And then you could do the 36 divided by 3 is 12 to get you the 12 yards. Or if you're not comfortable with that way, you could have just done the 432 divided by 36, and that would also have given you the 12 yards. All right, so when you converted 180 inches to yards, first you start off with what you are given. You're given the 180 inches. You multiply that by, there are 12 inches in 1 foot, and you also know there are 3 feet in 1 yard. And your inches cancel out, your feet cancel out, and that leaves you with 180 in your numerator and 12 times 3 in your denominator. So I don't know if you guys did 180 divided by 36 or if you reduced it, but either way you should have got 5 yards. All right. All right, so on this one right away, you should have been able to see that the 8.2 yards is obviously smaller than the 11 yards. And then you should have decided to convert the 51 feet into yards to place that into the arrangement. So there are 3 feet in 1 yard. And so when you did the 51, or the feet canceled out, and we have 51 yards divided by 3. And 51 divided by 3 is 17 yards. And so that would put the 51 feet out here as the largest measurement. So with this problem, the given information is right here in the first row. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound. And this one isn't as easy to say, okay, what could we multiply by to get from 16 to 23.6? So on this one, the conversions, the way we have been doing it, makes it a little bit easier. So the given information on this one would be 23.6 ounces. And we already know that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. And if we cross out the ounces, then we have 23.6 divided by 16, and now our answer is in pounds. So when we do 23.6 divided by 16, we get 1.475 pounds. 1.475. Which makes sense because we know if the 16 was doubled, we'd get 32. 32 ounces, it would be 2 pounds. So the 23 is kind of halfway, almost halfway, which makes sense that it's 1.475 pounds. And then when they give us 14 pounds, we can go the opposite way. 16 ounces is in 1 pound, and the pounds cancel out, and we're going to do 14 times 16 ounces. And 14 times 16 is 224 ounces. And then the last one, we have 18.4 pounds, 16 ounces in 1 pound. Our pounds cancel out, and we have 18.4 times 16 ounces. And 18.4 times 16 is 294.4 ounces. 294.4 ounces. All right, and that is the end of the conversion lesson. Hope you guys understand it.